that will also bring very cold conditions behind the system, frigid air in towards the Great Lakes. Chicago still gusting to about 30 at O'Hare.
Nearly a foot of snow fell there yesterday, setting a new daily record. And in Grand Rapids, Michigan, you can also see.
All right, we're going to forget about all the cold weather up north and just head out and enjoy Mother Nature here. Because it was cloudy over today. It was cloudy inland, but raining a little bit. I hit rain coming out here, but that rain is gone. We got blue skies. So onward. Here we come, fish. Leaving. Slowly but surely. There's people on board complaining about the no seams, but maybe I've been moving too fast. I haven't gotten them yet. All right, we stopped here on the first Spoils Island. We had luck last week while kayak fishing. And the fishermen are already fishing. Hey, I bought Big Gulp, John. I bought another pack of, well, I bought my first pack of Big Gulp since everybody's starting to swear by them.
I got the big ones too. Big trout.
So let's see what happens.
Took a hole.
All right, Billy had something. Is it still there?
No.
Oh.
That chewing gum did it?
He's fishing with chewing gum, right?
I have a piece on there too, yeah.
What flavor, though? That's the question.
Yeah, he took it all. The
Wow.
gum and all.
Well, you got your little jig there still, but no,
Yeah.
your chewing gum is gone.
Yeah.
Well, he had a minnow on it.
Oh, you had a minnow.
And the gum.
All right, well,
All right, well, we're
we got some action, but we're going out further. So. All right, we're out here at our usual spot on Redfish Island. Just in case there's a herd of fish hiding here. There probably isn't. But there are other people around, but then again, it's Sunday, so the rest of the normal world can come out and play. All right, well, this didn't pan out very much, but we did watch this guy way over there casting a net and pulling in all kinds of fish. Has he got one now? I don't know. All right, so on to fairer grounds. We're heading for the Trout Stake, and it's a little spooky out here. The winds are really low, so the ocean is kind of glassy, but you can't quite see the horizon. And thank heavens for compasses and GPSs here to get us back. We could be driving into a fog bank for all we know. But it's relatively warm. It's in the low 70s, so we won't die in the front. Oh, there was something in the water that just splished the water right there. No problem seeing the horizon in this direction. So if the nuke plant goes, we'll be able to actually duck when the shockwave hits us. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we saw a bird scrum over here, and then we noticed dolphins in the area, like right there. They could be feeding. The birds were excited for a while. So we're gonna try this. So here's what I'm fishing with, so far unsuccessfully. Just one of these little slimy silicone fishies on a hook with a little weight on it so I can cast it. And then out at the end of the bobber, I got one of these Big Gulp things that's soaked in some kind of weird mystery oil. And of course, it's just another piece of silicone, but it's stinky. So when the fish gets a hold of it, theoretically it imparts some kind of tasty flavor to their mouth. At least that's the theory. It won't work until you catch a fish. We're still good and becalmed out here. It's just stunning. Open ocean and flat as a board. Art's got something. I didn't even know Art had a fishing pole. Is that your pole, Billy?
Oh, Billy traded it for him. Somebody's got the net.
All right. Let's see what we got here.
Oh, it's a whale.
He's got him.
That's the pick-a-puss.
Oh, you lost him.
Oh,
Oh, he's right there. Nah, that ain't that one that was on there now. No,
it was the boat after all. We're going to report you to the fishing fraud police here. All right, we got another one. This is the Billy pole handed to Art, but it handed back to Billy. So who's going to get the fish?
I don't know.
Where's
I don't know if he's on there anymore.
You just got the boat again, maybe?
No.
Well, keep going.
So big. digging, ain't it?
He does like to go under the boat.
Oh. What the hell we got?
Bottom.
Another bunch of weeds.
Seaweed.
Okay.
Yeah, he had a bite though.
We are severely disappointed, however. It's a good sign.
Okay.
And we're moving. Our last little spot, about 2 or 3 feet of water, didn't pan out. So we're gonna head out just a little further out, see what happens. We've moved, and those guys over there just caught a fish. And this is a spot marked on John's GPS that says, fish here. So we shall.
Yeah, like 2 years ago they were fishing.
2 years. Well, they probably hung around for 2 years. Why not? They said, let's wait till we come back. Well, we're heading back to shore here. But we're seeing a little scrum action near us here. Some dolphins. Lots of them. Well, they're... Oh yeah, right here. Well, we're gonna pull over here and throw some lines in, see what happens. Now we're just about up on the Coochie cut. Sorry to bother you guys. Marker 33.
That was like 5 feet all the way.
I went through, I got off track a little bit. I was a little inshore, a few hundred yards. I got to this place where it was 2 feet of water. That was not good.
In we go. There's Splash. He's going out for the night, we're coming in. What's he know that we don't?
Something that?
All right. We may have,
It's not real big.
we may have lingered just long enough to get something here. The rods.
Not that net. Get the real net.
This is a real net.
No.
Oh, this thing's a whopper.
Come on, get out.
Billy,
This
I'm
is
serious,
bigger
get
now.
get
Billy,
the bigger. He wants
the
the
real
big
net.
one.
Oh my
This
god.
fish is bigger than that.
Oh my God, as big as ours.
Woohoo!
Gotta wait now. I didn't get it out yet.
We'll go over there and grab it for him. There you
Oh, there he is.
go. Hurry, there he is.
I think it's a Jack Crevalle, maybe.
Oh, it's only a freaking baby.
Oh,
Well,
didn't
hey,
know
it's
that
still a
was,
fish.
darn it.
Come on.
Jeez. We could have caught that with the green net.
It's only a baby. I thought he got a fish.
Well, how many redfish have you caught in your life?
That's a red one?
Yeah, that's a redfish.
Little
Trouble is, they got to be
sardine.
18, and he's
A
not
little
18.
freaking sardine.
Hey, that's as big as the fish you had on there before.
Well, you had the right idea.
I'm on hook.
Oh.
15.
Now, yeah, nice sized fish though.
Nice size fish though. Because you could have got him in that little net.
Okay,
It's only a baby.
time to put him back.
I said he caught something.
But beautiful circumstances
Hand
we
me
got.
my quick.
Rorschach test here.
Stand up.
Here's our deck hands wrestling the canopy into submission for the night as we slowly glide into port. Only at the morning end. So what grand life lessons have we learned from this trip? I don't know. I'm sort of at a loss for words, unusually. Anybody got any life lessons they learned from this trip?
Life lessons?
Yes,
No, do we have to learn a life lesson?
absolutely. It's got to be some grand philosophical.
No. We went fishing.
We learned to fish weren't
Yeah.
hungry today. The life's lesson is don't go fishing.
And do what
Go
instead?
diving. Go to John's fish market. Go cave diving.
Yes, but the point of fishing is not to catch fish. You haven't realized that yet, have you? That's it. The point of
Chris is
fishing.
not a big fisherman. He comes out here to forget his troubles and
Yeah.
see nature and
Exactly.
get fresh air.
Right.
The point of fishing is not to
Don't
catch
have to worry
fish.
about nothing. Don't worry
And
about
when you
nothing.
finally realize that, you're good. If you catch a fish, so be it.
Right.
You see
Good
a lot
night.
of interesting things sometimes you see on